Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video, we're going to analyze the market technically for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we have some major upcoming news in the upcoming weeks. So we have to consider the news also, and we're going to analyze the market with full scenario or with full situation. Okay. So as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we start our analysis with higher time frame, then we will go in lower time frame to find out our entry. And as you can see there was our last week entry. That means we took buy entry around that particular area. As you can see there is a breakout and there's again pullback. We took buy entry and we took a lot of pips around this particular area. That was almost 250 pips. Okay, and if I especially want to remove all of the previous drawing, okay, let me remove all of them, and I wanna start with weekly time frame first. And we need to see the market movement in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, last week's candle was bullish. As per you know that there is a lot of geopolitical issues to go fly. I already shared into our Telegram channel. By the way, if you are already joined our Telegram channel, you may know that, or if you are not joined yet, please join to our Telegram channel to get real-time update each and every moment what is happening around the world and what is going to happen with gold. So as per weekly time frame or as per the weekly chart, market is strong bullish trend. And as you can see there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks. From beginning of 6-week market is running in the bullish movement, and there was a pattern. That means there was a range. Gold was trying to ups and down a lot of time. Again, it just makes us a breakout, and gold is almost all-time high right now. So you have to consider the buy trend. Okay, and if I want to go to daily time frame, as you can see there, if I want to show you our last week movement, market movement, that means previous 5 candles, as you can see there, 1 2 3 4 5. That means there was 4-day bullish movement and 1-day bearish movement over here. And if I want to show the market movement in H4 time frame, and if I want to draw a trend line over here, as you can see there, as per I said before, and there was also trend line, and there was a flag pattern and also triangle pattern. And as per the triangle flag pattern, we know that market will go up, and if it breaks down and give us a pullback, again we can take sell entry around this particular area. And if it give us a bullish breakout, then we will wait for a pullback. Then in that particular area we will take buy entry, and that scenario happened in that particular area. That means there was a hourly breakout again in hourly time frame. This is H4 time frame, that's why there is no pullback, and we got a pullback in hourly time frame and gold is go fly, and we took the full advantage from there. And if I especially want to show you hourly movement, that means hourly market movement, as you can see there. Okay, let me draw trend lines properly, so it will be perfect for that. And let me draw the lower trend line over here, as you can see there. Okay, as you can see there is a breakout in that particular area. Again, it gave us a pullback. We took buy entry on that particular area, and market was given us around 250 plus pips. Okay, and we took that into a free channel and VIP channel also. You may know that if you are especially into our free Telegram channel. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what can be happen in next week? Okay, for swing trades, let me analyze. And if I want to draw a triangle, or if I want to draw a resistance area around that particular area, as you can see there was our resistance area. It was around 3776 to 3780, and as per you can see there, this trend line and this lower trend line can be ranged there. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what can be happen in next week or in Monday? Okay, as you can see there was our resistance zones. If market moves or give us a pullback around this particular area, for this particular area we will wait for this area, and after the candle confirmation we can take sell entry from there to there. Okay, or if it goes down, that means if it goes around that particular area, and if I got any buy confirmation entry or any buy news, then we can take buy entry from that particular area. So in that particular zone there is no buy or sell entry. We have to wait till the particular zone or particular area. Okay, and one more thing can happen. If it can give us a pullback from breakout from bearish from this trend line, and we will wait for the trend pullback till this trend line, and then we can take sell entry from that particular area. Okay, that particular area. This is the current scenario, so you have to wait till the market open, then we can decide the market movement. And here in our Telegram channel, we are sharing a lot of entry analysis and a lot of things. So if you are especially see this video for the first time, you must have to join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. Okay, you may check our video description box, so you can decide the market movement, or you can check the market movement. Okay, for a scalper, if you are especially a scalper, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we can do. Basically in Telegram channel we send a scalping entry, and in YouTube we may send swing entry. Let's get back into our for the scalping entry for the 15-minute time frame. As you can see there is same scenario as per I said, and there is a trend line, and there was also a trend line same as each one time frame. Let me draw it properly. So as you can see there is a trend line, and also we have another trend line in that particular area. So for scalping, you may consider this particular area. That means after market comes and that particular area, and if it give us a buying confirmation, then we can buy till this particular area. Okay, we can buy till this particular area, and our SL should be, if you take 50 pips SL over here, this is entry zone, this is SL zone, and this is TP zone. And we always consider 1:3 risk reward ratio. So you must have to use 50 pips. If you use 50 pips SL, you have to use 150 pips TP. Okay, this is the scenario, or this is the strategy what we take each and every point. Okay, and if it go below that trend line, then we have to wait for this particular area to take buy entry. Okay, or if it give us a pullback after the breakout, then we can take the sell entry from that particular area. So the final scenario is we have to wait. Okay, and if you consider to sell from the higher zone, then you have to wait for that particular area. Market will give us a bullish movement or bullish comeback or bullish correction, then we can take sell entry for that particular area. Okay, so this is the current scenario, so you may consider that and you also can join our public Telegram channel to get proper entry and exit point. There we are sharing a lot of technical theory, fundamental theory and analysis and market moves. So I hope this will help you a lot. So that's for now. Mr. Moon signing out.